Hello and welcome to Office Superheroes. My name is Nicholas and today in this short video tutorial we're going to show you how to easily lock cells in Excel and protect them from being overwritten. Don't worry, we won't need any other program to do this. So let's waste no more time and let's get to it. We'll use this table as an example. In this table, we want to leave the cells unlocked for editing, which contain the sales data. However, we want to lock the cells with names and months, so that these cells remain read-only. The first step we need to take is to check the lock options for all the cells in the worksheet. We'll click in the top left corner. This will highlight the entire worksheet for us. Right-click, select, Format Cells. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the Protection tab. Make sure we have the locked option selected. With this option it is possible to lock all cells in the worksheet. If we have it right, we click on the button, OK. Now we select the cells that we do not want to lock. People will be able to enter data into these cells. We right-click and select, Format Cells. Uncheck the Locked checkbox. This will still allow the cells to be edited and people will still be able to enter data. We click on the button, OK. Continue. In order for all the rules we have set to take effect, Protect Sheet function must be enabled. Here is how we do it. Let's go to the Review tab located on the top bar. Click on the tab, Protect Sheet. Here we can also set a password. We will not set a password now. Click on the button, OK. Now we should have the table locked as we set it up. Let's take a look to see if this is actually the case. For example, let's click on this cell that contains the name. This cell should be locked and we shouldn't be able to type in it. OK. It works. Let's try clicking on the cell that should be unlocked, and we should be able to type data into it. Great. Everything is working as it should. One more thing before we finish. If we wanted to unlock the worksheet, let's go to the Review tab. We'll select Unprotect Sheet. We have now unlocked the table and can edit it again. That was all. I hope the video helped you. If it did, let us know via comment or like. If you want to see more videos on how to learn Excel quickly and easily, be sure to subscribe to us on the Office Superheroes channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.